No, I'm actually not excited for the new year. I'm actually contradicting myself. I don't know. A diabolical stance on it. Secret. Feel so cold all the time. Feel numb and immune to. Sorry, man. Just flip it around and do my fit check first. It'd be sucking the life out of me. Trail and the adrenaline, burgundy. I don't want to think about right now. This is like a cuddle buddy. Size cuddle buddy. This is the fit essentially. Hello guys, welcome back. What are the vibes? It's the 1st of December, the last month of 2025, and oh my god, that is kind of crazy because 2025 is ending and I'm not a fan of that because I don't know. I just feel like while I'm excited for the new year, no, I'm actually not excited for the new year. I'm actually contradicting myself. I don't know. I've not been able to process the fact that it's the last month of the year. So I have very diabolical stance on it. Whatever. It's the last month of the year, and I think I have attained a lot more than I had not infinitely believed that I'd be able to accomplish certain things within this year, which I have, which is surprising. And there's one more thing that I have to accomplish before this year ends, so I'm looking forward to that for this month. In December, I have to complete it regardless of anything. And that is what I'm working on. It's a secret. The first week of December is jam packed. I'm in college right now, and one of my subjects have been cancelled for the next 2 weeks. Regardless, this entire week is jam packed. It's crazy because we have our fest coming up Thursday and Friday. That is the 4th and 5th of December. Then I have two wedding invitations that to look forward to within this week. It's on the 2nd and the 4th. That is tomorrow and on Thursday again. Thursday is going to be exciting. Last Thursday was also pretty exciting, if I'm being honest. I had not had my lunch and I was running since like 8 in the morning till 8 in the evening. I just had an apple in between here because I did not want to have anything from outside. I don't trust the food from outside. And today in college, we're supposed to record one of the council reels, all the core members, and we'll be doing that from 12:30. But besides that, it's a pretty, I don't know if I would call it exciting because it is kind of going to get me exhausted. Like, but when am I not exhausted? That is the question. When am I not exhausted? And in December, I have not told you guys this, but we will tell you eventually. I'm preparing for something exciting, and that's in December. Another exciting thing. I'll let you guys know. But I'm excited about that, and I'm actually investing my entire weekends on that because obviously I'm busy on the weekdays. I have been journaling, not as consistently as I would want to. I'm also supposed to make a vision board for this time. I had not made an actual vision board for 2025, so I'm thinking about making a vision board for 2026 because I did end up manifesting a lot in 2025 subconsciously without even intending on doing that. I had immense amount of faith that it would manifest, but I just did not know the timeline of it. So I'm thinking that if I want to enhance the process of manifesting, I have to make a vision board, which I'm going to make this year. I'm supposed to make that, and I'm supposed to also make my goals for 2026, which I have a lot of tremendous goals for 2026. And I'm also wanting to expand the YouTube arena along with it. We have term paper submissions also in December. We have to get it done with before we leave for our winter break. So that is also there. Winters have been crazy. I feel so cold. I feel so cold all the time. I'm having not a cough in its most natural sense, but it's existing and it's everlasting and it's not going to end, I feel, till eventually summers come by again, which is far away. Regardless, I'm not a fan, obviously, but can't help it. The thing is that for the entire year, I'm like, I want winters to come by. I don't want to dry and get toasted in this heat under the sun. But when winters come, I lose it because it's unbelievable how cold I feel actually. And I've bought the mic as well because today is going to be that exciting. I want everyone to interact, especially because I've cut off sweets. Absolutely. I don't even feel the need to eat sweets for some reason. I don't feel like eating chocolate. I think I would have dark chocolate, but I'm not a fan of having the other chocolate. Even when we were cutting cake for my friends' birthdays, I just had like one or two bites because to obviously respect the fact that it was their birthday. I did not have the need to actually eat it more than that. Even when my dad goes and brings sweets and all that stuff and cakes, I don't feel like having it anymore. It's just I just feel numb and immune to it at this point of time. Like I could have it if it's some important event, someone's birthday or like some celebration or something. If it's important. Good morning, ma'am. Do you have class? Yes. Oh, sorry, ma'am. Oh my god, just flip it around and then ऐसे उंगली करो. हाँ, and then yeah, do like that. Do. हाँ, oh my god.
Thank you, Nafisa. Bye.
Hello guys, it's Wednesday, 3rd of December, and wait, I'm just grabbing a chair. 3rd of December. Wait, I gotta do my fit check first. This is what I'm wearing. I got a lot of compliments. I'm glad. I love ballet flats. That's what I'm wearing as my shoes. The vibe is that this is 3rd of December, one day before the fest, which is tomorrow. And yesterday, we went to the wedding, and that was quite fun. Quite entertaining. I think I love the fact that it's so productive and I'm running here and there. It was a vibe basically. I just want to have my days entirely filled with stuff. Sometimes, occasionally, not always, because then that would be sucking the life out of me, you know what I mean? Sometimes it's fine that my days are so jam packed, but besides that, I'm not a fan of having my days so filled from 8 in the morning to 10 in the evening, because I came back around 10:15 or 10:20 at night because it got so late. Usually I sleep by 10:15. I'm exhausted, bro. Don't judge me. I like sleeping at 10. And I came back yesterday at that point of time, so I was exhausted. I don't know what I was running on. Maybe the thrill and the adrenaline, because I did not have coffee, but I did have a lot of energy in me yesterday for some reason. And I did something new yesterday again, which was quite interesting. And I got a different perspective on it. I can't tell you guys about it, but then it was very interesting to do it. It was fun. I wouldn't mind doing it again. It's something that I will not do continuously as of now, maybe in the future, but not right now. Not a fan of doing that right now. The situation of the college, tomorrow is the first. We have the re-recorded. There's another clip that we are supposed to shoot today. I just like this color a lot. It's very pretty. It's like a burgundy kind of a shade. Anyways, I have an assignment to write that I'm supposed to submit today, which I haven't done. So we're going to do that right now. I'm just trying out the page. I forgot. I knew that the assignment was supposed to be submitted today, but then I had forgotten about it for some reason. So we're going to do it right now because my minor classes are free, which is great. The reason behind it is not, but at least I can write my answer right now and get excused for that. So we'll be writing that answer now, and I haven't even gotten the time to have some water, man, since the morning. Well, I'm glad that it's so, everything is so parched because there's something that I don't want to think about right now because I'll need some time to sit and think patiently about them. So I'm being an avoidant right now, but I think that is a very common thing for me at this point of time. I avoid certain things because why would I take on unnecessary burden on me and stress about things that I can slightly delay. Another thing, tutorial dates are out. The term papers need to be submitted in December. So I guess we are gonna work on that this weekend. Usually my weekends are reserved for sculpting and clay and all of that, but then unfortunately I'll have to start buckling up or else the same pattern that happened last semester will happen this time and we do not want that. So I want the term papers done over the weekend. Fingers crossed. This weekend and the next successfully, I'm hoping. Anyways, we have an assignment to write down, so we'll be doing that.
Yeah, and that's what we have a qualified category. Then that means, that means you have less. You have to go about somewhere. But then, either way, either they will, and they will. How is that? No, not like.
Such a huggable material. It's like so soft. It's just like a cuddle buddy, big human-sized cuddle buddy. Handprint time, guys. Handprint. Say hi. What? Say hi. Like this. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. Me, guys, go. Wait, why? Bro.
और हम लोग सब hands का भी wrong sheesh. Give us 2 minutes. We'll be back with you.
This is what's happening, guys. And she's just blurting it all over. Yes. Yes, started. Go. Oh, Jai. Green. आजा आजा इधर कर दे या फिर on that side. क्या करना है कर कर. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look here.
Oh my god.
It's going to be fantastic for the next 2 days, and this is what I think the future of India.
Hello guys, this is the day. This is the fit. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the fit essentially. Not feeling well, so I came in a little later than the time that I was supposed to come in at, which was earlier, like 8:30 or 9 something. I'm not feeling the best today, but right now my job is to, because the other volunteers are going to be sending out the videos. I'm going to simultaneously upload it on our page, Instagram page for the fest. That is samagam.lc. I'm going to add that handle over here. So because of the time constraint, I'm going to have to run down. I thought I would get the time to journal, but I'm not going to get the time to journal, and I'm going to be busy with uploading stuff, which is not a vibe. But yes, I'm going to go do that downstairs now, and pray for me, guys. Pray for me. Actually, very aesthetic. Yes, guys.
Why?
I'm gonna get a reaction. Going for the wedding right now, guys. Going for the wedding. This is my makeup. Am I eating or am I not eating? Tell me guys, tell me. Okay. He's figuring out how to open the dicky. Trunk.